Dad?
Good.
Good. So did you get out of work early today?
I did.
Nice. You doing any stretching for this? No?
On my shoulders.
Okay. So we're going to leave that alone today. Posture. We got some videos on our YouTube channel about that. And again here. Good. And here. And one more. Good. Excellent. Go ahead and breathe in and then breathe out. And breathe in and out. And your desk at the office, you have a keyboard tray, you said, right?
I don't.
You don't. I'm going to adjust your wrist and loosen up your hand as well. And you can handle a lot of pressure. So I'm digging in more. This is this direction. So we encourage motion into the restriction, bringing her head over. Good. And then we'll come over to this side. And we'll make sure she's moving. Good.
Decapitation for y'all crack addicts out there. Just like that. Yes, sir. Boy. Doesn't get much better than that, my friend. You know, so I always start down at the pelvis and work my way up. There we go. Yes, sir. Got one more right there. Perfect. Okay, let's turn you on your back. Okay, slide down this way. The reason I adjust the entire body rather than just a specific area, that old thing about the ankle bone connected to the knee bone connected to the hip bone is all true. The whole body works in concert with the rest of its biomechanics, from the feet all the way up. Now you always see me adjusting the elbows, but probably never really paid much attention to how I do it. I'm actually contact here, right there, and then also on the back of the olecranon process. Now this is right elbow, this is the good one. But we still get movement there. Adjust his wrist, the carpal bones. And then I pull the finger digits straight out. And this is his old painful elbow. There we go. So you got good movement on that. So I'm adjusting the radial head and the olecranon on that. And also you used ice on it at first too, didn't you?
Yes.
When we first got started. There. I'm adjusting the atlas with it.
Esquerda?
Pouquinho.
Ok. Sempre um bocadinho mais à direita.
Sim.
Ok. Aqui, dor aqui. Neste percurso. Primeiro escafante. Depois o calcânio. Fazer o ajuste, claro. Ok. Vamos relaxar o pé, relaxar. Assim. E relaxar tudo. Assim. Ok. Agora vamos aqui a C2, por aqui.
Um bocadinho.
Sim, ao C2. Isso. Relaxar tudo. Ok. Isso. Assim. Aqui. Isso. Isso. E vamos inspirar e expirar. E relaxar tudo. Assim. Agora para o outro lado. E relaxar tudo. Assim. Ok. Barriga para baixo, aqui está tudo protegido. Desbloquear aqui. Vamos inspirar e expirar. E relaxar tudo. Assim. Relaxar tudo. Ok. E ali. Mais anterior. Relaxar a cervical. Isso, é só relaxar. Eu faço a rotação. Assim. Queres inclinar um bocadinho para a minha mão direita. Isso. Relaxar tudo. Ok. Fizemos um grande clique. Para a minha mão direita, perdão. Isso. Ok. E agora relaxar tudo. Agora sim. E relaxar tudo. Relaxar. Sim. Acho que ela ficou com jeito. Ok. Inspirar e expirar. E assim relaxar tudo. Assim. Mais uma vez. Inspirar e expirar. Ok. Assim. Muito bem.
Blow it all the way out. Good. Very good. Let's go to this side, all the way back. Excellent. Good. Let's go face up again.
Okay.
We're really tight, so.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the
Sitting
pants
lock.
suit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have you up, just face down. Don't worry. Good. How'd that feel? Now we're gonna come on to the other side here. Good. So we got good movement. I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale out for me. Good. One more time throughout the mid back. Deep breath in and then let it out. Good. So we got some good movement also just through like that. Good. There we go. How did that feel?
Wow.
I'm gonna have you flip to the other side. Perfect. And you felt all that movement as well, right? Alright, lay flat on your back for me. Put your hands on top of mine. Good. So I'm gonna lean you back onto me. Bring your elbows together. Good. So you felt that last little bit. And we distract in the y-axis.
Now, he did mention, and this is typical, you know, we get a little injury. We're going to focus down here. So, yeah, it's actually starting at T1, right there. Sit up straight. Let's check the shoulders now, please. Let me do the work. So, just going to go bring it over and around. Is that painful to do? We can see it's not a check this side. Uncross your legs, please. This side is a lot better, right? When
Yeah.
it's moving.
Yes.
Okay, so we want the right side to be like that. So we need to do. There we go. That's a piece of it. No, almost. There you go. You okay there? Good. Great. Good. Home run. Beautiful. Let's start T. There. Now let's go on the other feet out. Put your feet out all the way. There you go. So what's interesting is you actually do have a lot of flexibility in your neck. There you go. Blow it out fast. Good. Deep breath in. Blow it out fast. There you go. Deep breath in. Blow it out. There you go. Okay. Drop it down, down, down. There you go. Down. That's it. Ear. Good. Nice. Relax there. Good. Oh, nice. There you go. Awesome. Good. There you go. Squeeze.
Bring that down there. And put this back here. Breathe in deep. And out. Head relaxed. And out. Shoulders relax. Breathe in again. Hold your breath. And out. Take your breath. And out. Lift up your head a little bit.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's really good.
Breathe in. So we're stimulating proprioceptors, which are nerves. Okay. And out. Just relax, shoulders relax. Fairly tight through there, yes? Shoulders loose. Wow. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not easy. 5. Not interesting. One more breath.
You just snuck that in on me. That was good.
You to take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. And exhale on. Good. Done a lot of movement with that. We're going to drop down just a little bit more. Deep breath in. And exhale on. Good. A little bit more on your back here. Good. Let's do this way. Good. Perfect. Lay flat on your back for me.